Okay, everybody, today I've got a quick little Easter present. Today I'm going to show you how I made my Easter treats this year. These were exclusive to the Hudson Market, and I love the dollar store. Oh my gosh, they had the cutest little Easter eggs. I mean, usually these are a lot more expensive. I mean, I've paid in the past $5 for three little doohickeys. So I was really happy about these little guys. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do a few bunny dust and Chickie dust and carrot dust. And I make them on purpose this way. So I'll show you. Let me just disinfect these and I'll come right back. Alright, so now that these are dry, I'm going to assemble them. So first we need to add our citric acid. I'm going to add about that much, about half a tablespoon. I'm making these just in the container. Hopefully I won't knock them over and make a big mess, but you know. Alright, so I'm going to put that away. And I've got them sorted by type. So for the little chickies, for the little, not chickies, we'll do the carrots first. So we're going to put twice as much bicarb as citric. So we want these to be nice, or a little bit more than twice. Okay, so I'm done with that one. So I just took bicarb and I bloomed it with my Easy Colors water dispersible dyes. Some of them I used Easy Colors, some of them I used Fizzy. But for these, I'm going to add a couple of blue embeds, like 3. And all of this is unscented, so I'm actually going to add my scent, shake them up, and I'm using the Sweetapolita Sprinkle medley. This one's called Honey Bunny. So for this one, I've actually got Nature's Garden Honey Bunny. So I'm going to use a little of that in each one. Now I'm going to shake these up so they'll get their little shake up. A few drops is all it takes. I think I'll do them all in Honey Bunny. That'll make it a little easier. Have fun, Matthew. My son's going to Port Angeles for the weekend. His first trip all by himself. I'm so proud of him. Yeah, those would be nice. Alright, so I did them all in Honey Bunny. I was going to make them all different, but you know, this will be easier for me to remember since these are going to the market. Alright, so the next color we're going to do, you know what, I'm just going to put the sprinkles in now. Check out these sprinkles. They are so amazing. Aren't those cute? So I'm just going to put a few in each one, like a little Easter treat. And we'll put the lids on. Should probably do that each time, just in case I take a chance of tipping them over. So as I get them done, I'm going to seal them up, and they'll get shook up. I'm going to seal them with tape. So I'll just set those where you can see them as they get done. So the next one, I'm going to make orange. So the water in these will be orange. So the first one, the water is going to end up blue-green. So this one is going to be an orangey color. So again, twice as much. This is a finer one. I must have ground the baking soda on this one. less heapy. So I'm going to put a little more in each one of those. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Alright, and then we're going to put in the embeds. And these are little gummy bear embeds. How cool is that? In fact, I'm going to take these to the show with me. And I'll use these as a demo. So people can toss them in and see what my colors look like. A little sprinkle, a little sprinkle, a little sprinkle. Alright, now let's put the tops on my chickies. Make sure they're facing the right direction, unlike the carrots, which can go any old way. Chickies need to be placed just right. There we go. You know, I think, no, that's just right. Okay. There we go. Oops, no, we do not want that one like that. Here we go. There we go. It's beater on straight now. Alright, I was so good with the first one. I have to remember to do that with the bunnies too. Alright, again, I'm going to tape these shut and seal them. Alright, so we're done with that one. Alright, so the last one are my little bunny toots. I love these. I think they're so freaking cute. And this one is almost, it's got nice chunks to it, so I can just pick it up and put it in. So that one's going to be a little extra special. So I'll have more chunkies. And because it's the Easter Bunny, I'm going to make him even a little more full. Alrighty. And we're putting in and these are just made with a tiny little mini ice cube tray. It's awesome. These embeds themselves are really potent, powerful. So 3 of them is going to make a nice cube in the tub, and I think the kids will be super happy. Or the adults. I'm going to use 1 or 2 of these, I'm sure. Can't wait. So thank you, Sweetapolita. Is it Sweetapolita? Yeah, Sweetapolita. I love these! I'm going to be using them on so many things. So just, you wait. You're going to see more of the Sweetapolita in the bath bombs for sure. I know not everybody likes sugar in their bath, but I do. And they're my products, and I use them, and I love them. I'm also going to be doing a salt version for people who don't, because it's not just about what I like, even though right now I'm the tester. Alrighty, so there we go. A little bit of a mess, but super easy, super cute, something you can do in advance. And happy Easter, everyone. I hope you have a marvelous, wonderful time. I'm going to put a little more in that one. And have fun this holiday with your families. And I hope the Easter Bunny visits everybody and you eat lots of chocolate because yum. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, click like and just subscribe and come and see what we do next time. Bye.